Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. Today I'm going to do some frozen buffalo wings from Sam's Club. I'm not going to doctor them up at all. I'm just going to do it at 450 for the time allotted, see if that works or go longer if it needs to. So we're going to get this started up and get it up to 450. Right back. Smoke just cleared up. Let's set this to 450. That's what it says on the bag. Okay, so we got the let it roll. Pit Boss up to 450. We'll get our buffalo hot wings ready. We're going to go the conventional oven method. 450, 18 to 20 minutes. We may go a little longer. Want to get them a little bit crispy. We'll see how they turn out. If they do, we may be making them again for the Super Bowl. First, I'm going to get some cooking spray on my rack. I'll do both sides just to make it easier to clean the. Okay, we got our wings open. Let's start putting them on the rack. Load it up. I'd end up having to do a couple of racks. Okay, those look pretty good. This is just a trial run, so we're just going to do the one rack, save the rest for another time. Now let's get them on. I'm going to put them up here on the top rack so they get the heat all the way around them. Leave them hanging over a little bit like that. And get another one out of the bag. One fell off. Okay, we're gonna let them go for about 15 minutes. We may come out here and flip them. It's been 15 minutes. Let's give them a look. Okay. All right, they're looking good. When I put these on with these feet down here like that, which is gonna make it a little difficult. So what I'm going to do, they're getting crunchy. I'm going to put a wire rack on top with these feet down. Then I'm going to flip them, and then they'll be up, and they'll be easier to move back on. Like they're doing good. We'll go about maybe 10 minutes and check them. Then another 10 minutes. And may have to go a little longer. Look good. They're crunchy. Take them off. Looks like a success. They're nice and crunchy. So if you're looking for a quick Super Bowl treat, you know, these are pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about the internal temperature. You're just really heating them from frozen. Let's see, I'm sure this is going to be very hot. Let's give it a quick bite. Yep, extremely hot. They're done. Yep, it's good. Just like every taste test. All right, now we know. From frozen, good wings.